Hello everyone, welcome to Analog IAS. Today's topic is biological oxygen demand. First, let us see what water pollution is. Water pollution is the addition of undesirable substances such as organic, inorganic and biological waste which degrades the quality of water so that it becomes unfit for use. The natural sources of pollution are soil erosion, leaching of minerals from rocks through acid rain, and decaying of organic matter. There are both point and non-point sources of pollution. When pollutants are discharged from a specific location, such as a drain pipe carrying industrial effluents that discharge directly into water body, it represents point source of pollution. In contrast, non-point sources include discharge of pollutants from diffused sources or from a larger area such as runoff from agriculture fields, grazing lands and construction sites. Now let us see about dissolved oxygen. It is the presence of organic and inorganic waste in water that decreases the dissolved oxygen content of the water. Dissolved oxygen content of water is important for the survival of aquatic organisms. The higher amount of waste increases the rate of decomposition and oxygen consumption, thereby decreasing the dissolved oxygen content of water. Now let us see about biological oxygen demand. Biological oxygen demand is the amount of dissolved oxygen needed by the bacteria in decomposing organic waste present in water. The higher the value of biological oxygen demand, it indicates low dissolved oxygen content of water. Since biological oxygen demand is limited to biodegradable materials, it is not a reliable method of measuring water pollution. So, the chemical oxygen demand is slightly better mode used to measure pollution in water. Chemical oxygen demand measures the amount of oxygen in parts per million required to oxidize organic, that is biodegradable and non-biodegradable, and also oxidize inorganic compounds in the water sample. Now let us see a previous year question based on this. Biological oxygen demand is a standard criteria for A. Measuring oxygen levels in blood, B. Computing oxygen levels in forest ecosystems, C. Pollution assay in aquatic ecosystems, and D. Assessing oxygen levels in high altitude regions. The correct answer is C. Pollution assay in aquatic ecosystems. Thank you.